Pratley Quickset Clear is a quick-setting, high-strength adhesive which adheres to most rigid materials, like ceramic, stone, concrete, glass, fiberglass, and metals. Quickset Clear does not run easily and is ideal for well-mating surfaces. Quickset Clear has exceptional adhesive strength, bonds well to most rigid materials, is quick-setting, sets clear and strong, can be drilled, sawed, machined, and sanded. Some suggested uses for Quickset Clear: repairing broken china plates, repair your damaged glass ornaments, restore knife handles and other kitchen utensils, and repair costume jewelry. Quickset Clear will begin to gel in 4.5 minutes. It will set in about 14 minutes and will adhere to full strength in 24 hours. Surfaces to be bonded must be free from loose dirt, dust, moisture, oil, grease and paint. Sanding or wire brushing significantly enhances adhesion to smooth surfaces. You can do chemical cleaning with Pratley Safety Cleaner or acetone. Wipe in one direction to remove most contaminants. Quickset Clear is a 1:1 mixing ratio. With the white cap tube, squeeze out a bead of resin on a flat, non-absorbent surface, such as a piece of cardboard. From the tube with the red cap, squeeze an exactly similar bead of hardener next to the first bead. And the beads should not be less than 15 millimeters long. Thoroughly mix the two beads until evenly mixed. All Pratley products carry our policy statement, which says that the performance of our products must exceed all others on the world market.